Wait! Don't try Bolt.new yet. Everyone's hyped it, builds websites instantly with AI, but is it really worth your time? Let's break it down before you dive in. All right, so Bolt.new is being hyped as this instant website builder that turns your text into a fully functional site, all with AI. Sounds wild, right? You type, "make me a portfolio," and boom, it spits out clean HTML, CSS, and JS. But here's the real talks. It's fast, yeah, but not perfect. On Reddit, people say it's crazy impressive for prototypes, but others complain it breaks easily or doesn't save changes properly. On Twitter, devs love how it integrates with Vercel and GitHub, but beginners, they say it's a little overwhelming. And Trustpilot, mixed bag, most rate it around 3.8 stars, praising its speed, but calling out its limited design control. Here's a quick Excel-style breakdown so you can see it side by side. So yeah, Bolt.new is kind of like that super fast friend who rushes through everything. Great for speed, not always for perfection. If you're testing it, start small, so portfolio pages, landing pages, product mockups. Don't expect it to replace full-blown site builders just yet. All right, if this helped you dodge a headache, hit that like button. It helps more than you know. And if you're curious about other AI builders, click my next video. Trust me, that one's a game changer. Catch you there.